In a major development for Indian National Lok Dal Party, the former Chief Minister Om Prakash Chautala's sentence has been completed in the JBT recruitment scam. His advocate Amit Sahni informed about the development and confirmed that he is preparing all the release-related documents. Om Prakash Chautala soon will be out of the jail.
दिल्ली सरकार द्वारा हरियाणा के पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री ओम प्रकाश चौटाला जी की स्पेशल रिमिशन मंजूर कर ली गई है। इस बारे तिहाड़ जेल से मुझे एक ऑफिशियल कम्युनिकेशन प्राप्त हुआ कि चौटाला जी की स्पेशल रिमिशन मंजूर हो गई है और उनकी रिहाई स्वीकार कर ली जाएगी। इससे पहले हमने दिल्ली उच्च न्यायालय में उनकी रिहाई के बारे में कई याचिकाएं डाली। दिल्ली उच्च न्यायालय ने समय समय पर उनकी पैरोल को एक्सटेंड किया और दिल्ली प्रशासन को और दिल्ली सरकार को कहा कि उनकी रिहाई क्यों नहीं बन रही जबकि उनके सारा पैरामीटर फुलफिल हैं। फाइनली दिल्ली सरकार द्वारा उनकी स्पेशल रिमिशन को मंजूर करके और उनकी रिहाई के बारे में आदेश जारी करे हैं और इसके बारे में हमें एक ईमेल द्वारा सूचित किया गया है। चौटाला जी को फॉर्मली तिहाड़ जेल विज़िट करना होगा पेपर वर्क की फॉर्मेलिटी के लिए, जिसके बाद उनकी रिहाई फाइनली कर दी जाएगी।
He also said that the Delhi government accepted Om Prakash Chautala's special remission and finally they also received an official email from the Tihar Jail Authority. He said that earlier Om Prakash Chautala has appealed for remission many times before Delhi High Court, but finally he got the remission from Delhi government and Om Prakash Chautala will be out of jail now. Notably, Judge Vinod Kumar of the Special Court of CBI Rohini in its 308 pages decision had found Om Prakash Chautala as main conspirator in the case with two other IAS officers including IAS Sanjeev Kumar, who filed a case against Om Prakash Chautala and demanding CBI inquiry in year 2003 of 3,206 junior basic teachers recruitment scam in year 1999-2000. Later, the CBI also found Sanjeev Kumar role into the entire case and arrested him too. In year 2004, the Supreme Court ordered CBI inquiry into the matter, and in year 2008, the CBI found 62 persons guilty in JBT recruitment scam. Om Prakash Chautala is a big name in Greenland, Haryana politics. He started his political career in very early days. In year 1970, 1990, 1993, 1996 and 2000, he was member of Vidhan Sabha. In year 1989, he became first-time Chief Minister of Haryana. Later, he became Chief Minister in year 1990, 1991 and 1999. In year 1999, he contested from his stronghold area Rohri and Nirvana and won both the seats. Later, he resigned from Rohri and selected his working area from Nirvana of Jind district. INLD Supremo and founder of Bharatiya Rashtriya Lok Dal was born on January 1, 1935 in Sirsa. He also completed his education in Sirsa. His father and former Deputy Prime Minister Devi Lal was well known as peasant leader. Holding hand of his father, Om Prakash Chautala started his political career at very early age. The Indian National Lok Dal Party also got a major boost just before the Panchayat elections with the news of permanent release of Om Prakash Chautala. Keen Eye will always provide you offbeat stories like this. I, Bhaskar Mukherjee, request all of you to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.